Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joyita and you're watching the Brie Beauty. Well, today's video is gonna be a bit different because today I'm going to talk about food and I would say not food, I would talk about a healthy lifestyle. Now, what I feel that beauty is the reflection of what we eat. I think just like me, you all have experienced that when we are eating the junk, our skin definitely speaks something bad. But when we eat healthy, our skin also feels healthy and it has a glow from within. So we must have to take care of our healthy diet. And like all of us nowadays rely upon a sort of diet. I'm not taking any name, but definitely we do maintain a balanced diet. But what we don't know that we really don't need any extra sugar in our diet. I know guys, just like me, maybe some of you have a sweet tooth because I have a very bad craving for sugar sometimes. But guys, whatever food we take, our body actually gets the acquired sugar from the food itself. So that extra sugar acts as a cocaine in our body. It's definitely not good for our health. What we can do, we can substitute that sugar with an healthy option. I am talking about the healthy sweetener, and definitely I have a solution for this. So here is the Bliss of Earth liquid stevia, and this stevia is the India's first most liquid stevia. This is derived from pure stevial glycosides. It's definitely healthy option. Now I would talk about ketosis diet is right now on fleek guys, because we all know that it helps to reduce weight in a very quick period. So if you are on a keto diet, this stevia would be perfect. And it also helps to discard the carbs and the calories, cholesterols from your diet, as it is definitely zero carb and cholesterol and calories. So definitely I would highly recommend this product to incorporate in your daily healthy diet. You can mix this in your tea, you can mix this in your coffee, any hot beverages, any cold beverages. And if you're a Bengali, you can definitely relate to me, because we have lot of sweet dishes. Being Indian, we love desserts, so we can definitely use this stevia into while making those dessert, you can definitely use this product. Now we have a thinking, I would not say that myth, that stevia sometimes tastes a bitter, but I'm using this product on an everyday basis and the taste is amazing guys. The 3 to 4 drops of this product is good to go. I just use this product into my tea, coffee, beverages. I am an absolutely smoothie person. Even I use this into my smoothies while I am making ice creams. And now I would say that if you have any diabetic patient at your home, it would be perfect for them because it doesn't spike the blood sugar level. So definitely it's healthy. And like we all know that sugar makes the kids much more hyperactive and impulsive, so it's better not to give them much sugar. So what I do, I use this for my baby too, because it it doesn't add any more sugar into their food, rather making it sweet for them because they are happy with the taste. So it is even safe for your kids. Definitely I think that you must try this product out and let me know that what do you think about this, because I have researched a lot about this product. Okay, now let me tell you what this packet tell you. This packet tells that this is the most convenient and calorie-free way to sweeten tea, coffee, yogurt, oatmeal smoothies and so much more. Definitely it's true. And this product is glycerin free, so you just don't need to worry about its ingredient. And you can see they are very much specified about their contents. Here is every ingredient is mentioned, which is really, you know, necessary, because a brand should maintain its visibility. And I always prefer to buy those things which, you know, maintains its visibility about its ingredients. And if you think that like how many times you can use this, I would say that several times you can use this in your diet, you know, as many as you want to use this, because it doesn't have any sucralose, it doesn't have any glycerin, and it is absolutely plant-based, so you just don't need to worry. And this is non-GMO and dairy-free. It's again a very good point. So don't, you know, get led about getting into this product, and get this for your whole family, because this is an healthy substitute for all of us. And if you are wondering what's the price for this product, then this is of 475 rupees, and I consume this product almost every day. Not almost, I use this every day, in my breakfast bowl, in my tea, even in the evening tea. So I used almost 3 times a day and every day. So it you know, lasts up to 40 days minimum, just a single bottle. So again, it's again a very affordable option too. So if you are thinking to buy this, you can definitely check out the link in my description, and this is available on Amazon. So the name, again I'm saying, this is the Bliss of Earth Liquid Stevia. Don't get led, guys, to incorporate this into your daily lifestyle. I hope that this little review is gonna help you in some way and you have liked the review. So please do let me know if you have any queries about this product or any other thing. Just do comment in the comment section below. I will definitely try to answer them all. See you next time, guys. Love you. Bye bye.